What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'll show you guys how you can go live on Twitch. So what you're gonna do is guys, you will be needing a software named OBS Studio. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just download that software from anywhere, let's say Google or maybe Stream. So that's your choice guys. So in my case, I have downloaded the software already. So here it is. This one. So it will look like this when you start, or let's say you might have to do some formalities first. So what you're gonna do is after you are over here, just go to first just set up, go to settings, and then over here in the stream, have your Twitch account connected with this. So just remember setting guys, you have to select Twitch and then the stream key from your account. So about the stream key, where you will find it, just go to your Twitch, then over here you'll be having the option, go to settings and then channel and videos, and then over stream. So this is your stream key, just copy it and paste it over here and then apply it and then set OK. Now what you're gonna do is just go to this plus button and then choose display capture and just press OK and just like manage everything and press OK, and this is your screen. Now this is like what they will see. If you want to stream guys, or let's say if you want to go live, just press the start streaming button like this and it will start stream guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. That's how you go live on Twitch. Now if you see from another account to this account, you will see this account is going live. That's how you do it guys. Thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.